Well, welcome back to another video here, guys. And in today's video, I'm gonna try to do something with the tractor in today's video. I don't know how well it's gonna work out, but we're gonna try to work on it. And I'm not really too sure why that's in the middle of the field. Let's just go get that real quick, because if I don't, it's gonna end up missing or something. Oh, I thought I heard an animal or something moving over there. It's just the electric fence popping and everything. But as you can see, the snow is pretty much all gone. No more snow. Well, there's still somewhat snow, but it's hardly any. The rain came, basically just took it all. But yeah, I mean, the snow was on the ground for at least like 5-6 days. So pretty good there, like surprising. So that was the first snow too. So I'd hate to imagine like the second or third one. But it's kind of weird because usually the first snow you don't really get any when it starts snowing. So, but as you can see, since then the sheep have really gotten in there, the animals have gotten in there, and they've tore the bales apart. But besides that, what we're going to be doing today is, wow, beautiful combine. It's a shame it ain't running. 6-cylinder diesel. It'll be running one day, whenever I can get to it. But that'll be a big step. That's a long time from now. You're looking at least like, I don't know, maybe 5-10 years for that. But anyway, we're gonna turn the key here, get her all warmed up. How cold is she? Pretty decent, not cold. So you can probably just go ahead and start it right on up, right? I don't know, but you know what's the crazy thing about this? Look, I'll show you guys. I don't know if it's because the pipe, you know, the exhaust pipe's bent, you know, where it curbs. But, you know what? That's what we should do. Just to mess around, we should put one of those type of exhaust on it. Let's see how loud that thing sounds. Oh, man, I'd love to see how loud this thing would be, like straight pipe. That would be crazy, right? Man. But you can see we're like, you know, starting up these diesel exhaust goes all up on the roof right there. You know, I guess it's at one point it was kind of turned around or something right there. And this point, this one's back a little bit more. Well, judging by it was turned on the other side, so I don't know. But a lot of exhaust smoke. But the interesting thing is there's no exhaust smoke. And you guys seen it from the startups and whatnot, you know, this thing, all that smoke just pouring out of it. When it starts up real cold. During summertime it doesn't do that, so. It's just only when it's cold outside, because I guess temperature or something, I don't know. But, what we're going to be doing in today's video, since, you remember that, the day before it snowed and everything, we got that tire. So that's what we're going to be working on in today's video, is I want to get this tire, I want to get the tire off. Not the tire, I'm not taking the tire off the rim. We're going to take it to a place and get them to do that. But I plan on taking the just taking the tire, like the rim off with the tire, and taking it to the place where they can put it on the tractor. But in order to do that, first we have to figure out how far back we're going to park this thing. And I'm not really too sure how far back we can go, because I don't think it's supposed to be raining anytime soon, so hopefully, I don't know. But try to back it up at least. I'd at least like to get it in front of this tire, so that way I can easily slide, put tire on and off. So, and I think we'll keep that locked. So just in case. thinking we might need the pivot or something. We might actually need the pivot. I don't think so, though. We might, though. I don't know. Just to get it kind of, like, turned a little bit because the tire. But I don't know. Hopefully we can get it back. But let's go ahead and start her up now. And we'll try to get her backed up. Wow, idling pretty nice. Let's get her a little warmed up. That should be good. Alright. So, it's not cold outside, so we can just go ahead and start raising this up. There it goes. If you give it a little gas, it'll just fly right on up. I mean, you should see how fast it goes up. It goes like wham! Okay, I see what this is for. I was trying to figure out what these bolts were for. I didn't know what they were for. But apparently, at one time there was a triangle sign here. So I guess that was because of the Ford, that one. I don't know. But he mostly used the front loader with it. I don't think he used the front loader when it snowed though, I don't know. Because it's a gas one, that one's a diesel, so. Let's go ahead and get this thing backed up so we can start working on it. A little rusty, haven't driven this thing in like 3 months, so. I don't know if theirs is good or not. Seems pretty good. In case you're wondering why I honked the horn, it's just because to see the voltage of the battery. It doesn't really give you like a little, well, it probably does. It's somewhere in this instrument panel here, somewhere, I don't know. Like if I turn the key and I wanted the lights to turn on, this one turns on, but the lights do not work. And then this one up here, that one's the fuel one. Let you know it's low on fuel, and I don't know what the rest of them are for. You know, I figure one's for like turn signals or something. Like, that's probably your brakes or something. That's probably your turn signals or something. I don't know. That might be your hazards. The hazard thing's supposed to be right here, but I took that out. I should have probably put that bang back in. Considering only this one and that one worked. These are the only two original ones. I can't find anywhere where you can get more of these things. So I'm thinking about it. I might do it. I've been looking into like other ACO Alice tractors and stuff, but they're usually the model, the newer models. But I'm surprised because this is a 1992 ACO Alice, and I'm surprised, you know, considering the parts and all, I can't find them. I mean, I even went to Agri Supply and they don't have it. So, and usually Agri Supply has most of the stuff for this type of tractor. So, and I tried the ACO website, they don't have it. So, but anyway, I'm gonna go get the stuff and we can start working on the tractor here. I'll be back. Alright, I'm back, and as you can see, yeah, it's dark outside. Well, it's getting dark. It's 5:44, so if you can see right now, I've got, well, you can't really see it too well. I got the jack set up here, and let me get my glove on, my right hand glove, and then we can start putting a pole on it, and then starting to lift it up, and hopefully we can get this off. I should probably put my glove on first. It's not really a good idea. Start a video and then try to put a glove on, but I got it on anyway. So, got this little rod here. I don't think it's gonna work too well. I have to do something here. Take that little piece off, there we go. Flip it around. Might work, might not, nope. It ain't gonna work, so what we're gonna have to do here is, I guess kind of connect it. It's kind of, I could put the handle part, the actual piece in there, but I have to use the handle part, so I don't know if it's gonna bend or anything. There she goes. I'm not really too sure. This hydraulic is not, I don't think it's supposed to, I don't think it's rated for this, but this is the only thing I have that will work right now. So, there we go. So, just have to work with what I have. I need a pipe or something. Get a pipe. I'm not really too seeing. Oh, what's this? Oh, sweet! I didn't see this thing. Check it out. It's not like a hydraulic thing. It's like a linear gearbox thing, I think. I'm not really too sure. I don't know. That would have been nice. I haven't used that thing, though. Guess we can use this old broken socket wrench. No, it's not working. So we just have to work with what we have here. I'm gonna fast forward, just make a video quicker. I'll get this thing off the ground. I'll put one of these. I have two of these here. I was thinking I was gonna probably have to put 2 axles on there, but what am I saying? I just put 1 axle on there. So I'll be back. Give me a few minutes. Alright, so we're back here, and I've got it on the jack here, the jack stand. I think this is a 3-ton jack. I don't know. So, here comes the fun part. You just take these right on out. It's one of these. I believe it's that one. And if you're wondering how I got these loose, no, I did not use a socket wrench. I actually had to use this wrench right here, which was extremely painful. And if you're wondering, man, how do you do that? Well, all you have to do is get you some sort of pipe. For instance, I use this old, somewhat rusted up PTO shaft, and I put it on here, and I turned it to get more torque out of it. And then you kind of loosen it up, and then the easiest way, the fun way, is that you can do it like an engine. Well, it's not going to work now because the tire's pretty much off. So. But there we go, got the tire off. Try to get her off here. Sweet. Nice. Alright, we can take it to the place, get them to change it on out. Let's check out this hub right here. Looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. Should have some sort of like grease point on it. I'm not seeing one. I don't know. You might have to take this off in order to grease it, but I don't know if it's like a grease, like you use a grease gun, or if it's like a one of those things where you just like have to put the grease in by yourself, like manually. Like here's the grease pen right here for the arm. But besides all that, we finally got the tire. Get out the tractor here, it weighs a little bit. So we're just gonna take this over there. I'm gonna put it next to the 4-wheeler, and so I can take it. Alright, it's hard to turn, it's unstable. Ugh. Now, hard to do this with one hand. Get you guys adjusted there. Almost there. Just gotta get it to the other carport where the four-wheeler is. Oh my god! This thing's gotta have some sort of liquid in it. There's no way that rim weighs that much. It's gotta be like a 50-pound tire. Put it on the truck right here. Alright. There we go. Let's clean up the work site. So that way, when I go to put this thing back on, whenever I get to take it to the place and I can change the tire, I can basically have that done. So take the lug nuts here and I guess we'll put them back on somewhat. Oh, let me get it adjusted for you guys. Sorry about that. Whew, man. Oh, 10. There we go. Make sure they're all even. We can put all tools away. And unfortunately I leaked some hydraulic fluid. But besides that, everything went smooth. So we got all that off and everything. Put this back in the tool set here. And I'll take this back up to my house because I'm going to need it up there more than down here. Take the tripod to... Didn't really get to use the tripod. There was no way I was going to be able to use a tripod anyway. It'd take too long. It'd be like a 40-minute video here. And I don't want a 40-minute video. You know, I just cleaned off the tractor. Look at all that sludge build up. It's pretty crazy. Check the oil here. Nice and shiny. Still got plenty of oil. Man, it's not looking too good. Have to get it like a day. What's the temperature out here? It's gotta be at least 40 or something. Probably gonna be 30 some degrees. Be nice if I can get this all cleaned off again. So, in case you're wondering, I had some problems trying to get the tire off. On the last one, I couldn't get it off. On, I don't know which one it was. It was one facing the tractor. I tried to get it off. I couldn't. I had to slam the tractor back down on the tire. Had to floor it in reverse. Floor it forward once I got the lug nut off of it. Well, the bolt. It's not a lug nut. It's a bolt. Lug bolt. I don't know what you call them. But I just call it a bolt. And that's great. My phone's on 15%. Good. About to end the video anyway. But I got it all straight, so that's the good thing. And in the next video, or the next couple videos, hopefully the ACO Alice 4660 will be running. Well, it's running, but I'm talking about like driving around, drivable. So hopefully we can get that straight, and once we get that straight, we can get back to work down here. So 4 months, not really too happy. You know, I had to sit there and spend my time looking at tires and stuff, and I was gonna get them, didn't end up getting them. We can test out the steering though. Check it out. You guys can't really notice that. I probably shouldn't be doing that, because that's probably some sort of safety hazard with that jack being underneath there. I would not want this thing to fall. I would be so mad. I wouldn't even. It's not even funny. I don't know. There's not even a way to describe it. How much anger I would be, and I would be enraged. So probably shouldn't do that. Everything's safe as long as you keep that parking brake going. Remember, always that parking brake when you're changing tires or something. Unless your parking brakes for your front wheels or something, then you're pretty much screwed. Well, not really, because I don't know. I was thankful that I didn't have to take off the back tires. I mean, I guess if I had to, I mean, I can just lift it up and like have the parking brake on. It would stop the tires from moving, but yeah, I don't know how well that would work. But anyway, I'm gonna call it for this video, guys. Not really much talkative now. I'm just kind of sitting here cooling off. Had a little bit of a exhausting time trying to get this tire off, even though it wasn't that long. You can actually see where the tire originally was. That little area right there, I don't know about that. But anyway, this is probably going to be like a 25-30 minute video. I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. And, you know something? I've always seen this lawnmower down here, this Murray, this old Murray. I've never really paid much attention to it. I believe it's got some sort of fuel tank measurement. Oh yeah, but that's kind of dumb, I guess. Let me get the zoom in for you guys there. Well, focus, not zoom in. I guess that's kind of dumb. Pretty nice hood. It's all metal. Steering wheel's pretty plastic. Like, let's see how many gears it's got. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 gears in one reverse. Wow. It's got an overhead valve on it. That looks like a pretty nice engine right there. Wow. Accessories. Snow blade, snow thrower, sunshade, front bumper. Wow. Don't you just miss them old days where you can just... Oh, sorry, let me focus it for you guys. Let's see here. Yeah, that's where you put your belt right on through there, even though you can't see. There's like a little slot where you put the belt through for like a snow thrower or something. Wow, don't you miss those old days where some like lawnmowers and stuff were made of like completely metal and everything? Now we got that freaking cheesy plastic front stuff. Even Craftsman does it now, which is sad to say. Everything else is metal on a Craftsman. The frame, the back body work, I don't know what you call it, even the hood. But the only thing that's plastic is the actual console and stuff, and the steering wheel. Which I can see the steering wheel, but the console no. On the Cub Cadet, I actually broke the parking brake on it. I don't know if I've mentioned it, but I broke the parking brake on it, which really sucks, but it's what you're gonna do. Not really you can do. Just have to live without a parking brake and kind of live with an engine that's gonna start and stop every time you go to start it and everything. We'll get off of it. You have to start it and get back on it. But anyway, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. So remember to like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you guys want to do, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And hopefully fairly soon. I found a camera thing. It's a Queso. I'm saying it right? A Queso. Queso. Some sort of, it's like a GoPro camera. Pretty cheap. It was like $100, and it was marked down like the $60, $59.99 or something. And I saw that, and I cannot pass up that opportunity, so I'm getting that. I guess we gotta work on starting to put some mounts on the tractor and stuff, and then put that thing on there, and you guys can follow me around, and that way I'm not holding the camera the whole time. You know, it's not gonna be like this. You know, right now I'm looking to the left of me, right? It'll be like this, like where I'm looking, like if I have the camera steady on my face. That's how good that'll be. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll keep you updated on the tractor and everything, and hopefully we can get it to that place sometime soon, like in the next few days. And hopefully we can get there, get it fixed. But I'll see you again in the next video. Take care.